guys, it's me, Graham. I know you guys give me that I didn't make some videos because all the likes are low, so I decided to have some break, go to school and with my homework and projects, and read that so that my skin is changed because like no one likes me. They say I'm very creepy. Yeah, and I have bad news and I have good news. The good news is this is my place now. This is where I live. I use the background browser so everybody can join in the server. Here it is. Just a little bit up because they always break my place. And the bad news is I delete all my words and service and resource packs or mobile resources. And oh my god. Oh, now I'm invisible. So guys, and this is the possibility. Like you cannot see in my screen right guys because there's a black circle because my father stepped on my tablet and it wrecked, but not the whole screen of the tablet, only small. So that is it guys. I just wanna know that I'm not angry or about likes and no one subscribe, but thank you for someone that subscribed me, like first man, like what is it, Cruz or something like that. I really thanks. And all that you can meet me at the Blackman multiplayer. You can join like an Ender Pearl like that, and the face is the girl and me, Graham. So I'm very sick right now because I'm going to school. I have a little video to talk about. I just want to talk about this because we love it. Wait a minute. Okay. It's 12:30. Now it's 12:30. So I will go to the school at 12:45. So, oh my god. Okay. Yeah, I cannot see, I cannot graph because there's a block that yeah, I know you cannot see, but I just want to. Okay, let's see here. Where is okay. This is my trap, and many people trapping can say that okay. It says that pull the lever to get lots of diamonds, and this will happen if you pull that lever. You will fall down in a cave, like see. corpse. Like that. At the bottom of this has a zombie. So that is it. Someone will die here for the rest of their lives. So okay, just go down and okay. So that is it, guys. Just continue to work. And last time I saw a hacker. Yeah, a hacker who was floating in that spot and put some lots of diamonds. Yeah, here, like there and around the chest. Do you see the chest? He put diamonds. So I kicked him out so he will never go back and hack my world again. Yeah. So well, you can fly this subway if you buy the thing so can invisible and can fly like a fin. But he very long in 5 minutes was flying. Only 10 seconds to fly if you the big wing and the will be 5 seconds. Or I don't know if 5 minutes or and he got lots of diamonds, but I didn't give him diamonds. How horrible was that? And he's invisible for too long. And that was the second hacker. And the first hacker was full diamond gear and enhanced too. And diamonds and bedrocks. He dropped us like that. Do you see these bedrocks here? Like that? Yeah. He put it and we're trapped inside and a whole here. Yeah. He trapped us in here. You can see that hole here. Yeah, he trapped us. So that was the first hacker. So I kicked him again. See, and guys, I will end this video because I'm going to school right now. So hope you like this video and subscribe and leave a comment below. Like because all my videos have no likes. I want someone to like a video. Okay guys, and it just